Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download the JDK on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after going to the Google Chrome, we have to write the JDK downloads. You can write whatever you feel comfortable, JDK download or JDK download for Windows as well, or JDK download for Windows 64-bit, whatever you feel. I'm going to write this one, JDK download for Windows. So as you can see, Java download, and we have to choose this one. For example, I'm going to open this one here, Java download. So let's click on this, and after opening this, as you can see, now these all options are provided here, Java 23, 21 and earlier versions available now. So we have to choose that which version you want. As you can see, these all versions are provided here. First of all, we have to choose them, and after that, as you can see, we just have to click on them, and that will be started in the downloading process. This is for the Linux. If you want to download for the Windows, you can also do that. As you can see, these all versions are provided here. We just have to choose that which one you want. I'm going to the Windows section, and now I'm going to click on this one, and the downloading process will be started. So as you can see, now it's started, and now it will take few seconds in downloading. The size of file is 229 MB, and after the completion of this, you can use this in any way. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can download the JDK or the Java on your PC. So see you in the next video.